Hi everyone, and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. My name is Abby Andrew, and I'm the alopecia ambassador for this channel, meaning that I talk about wigs from the perspective of someone who's dealt with hair loss for most of my life, and has been wearing wigs pretty much daily since about the age of 7. In today's video, I'm going to talk about some of my favorite short wigs in all of our collections with René of Paris, from the René of Paris line, the Amore line, the Noriko line, and many more. So there's lots of fantastic short options if you are looking for a short wig. The wigs that I'm going to mention in this video are just a few of my personal favorites, but there are so many styles to choose from. You can browse them all on reneofparis.com. You can search by style, put short in the filters preferences, and check out all of our different options. And then you can see all of the different styles to find one that is perfect for you. To start off this video, I'm going to start with the wig that I'm wearing right now, which is Tatum from the Amore Collection, and this wig is in the color Dark Chocolate. All of the wigs that I'm going to mention in this video come in a variety of colors, so if you want to see all of the different color options available for each wig, you can also check it out on our website, reneofparis.com. This wig has been one of my favorite go-to wigs for so many years, and it's actually a wig that I wore every single day when I was not comfortable switching up wigs or talking about alopecia yet. I know a lot of people are in that same kind of boat where maybe you have alopecia and you're looking for a wig, but you don't want anyone to know it's a wig. You don't want to switch it up, you just want to wear the same style every day. Maybe you're looking for a style that looked like your own hair before it fell out. This wig in particular was one that I wore at a time of my life where I was not comfortable talking about alopecia, and it was just such a fantastic go-to wig for so many reasons. For one thing, the short length of this wig makes it very easy to manage. I find that the straight hair texture also makes it very easy to manage. I think it's a style that would look good on a lot of people because it's just such a cute, simple, but really flattering style. I really like the bangs on this wig as well because it covers that hairline. And the hairline on a wig cap is something that you want to make sure looks natural, and one way to do that is with lace front, where you can have that natural looking lace front hairline, but I really love wigs with bangs because you don't even have to worry about the hairline because it's covered anyway, which is why this is one of my go-to wigs. It's definitely a style that I feel comfortable putting on, not even looking in the mirror, and I just feel confident that it's going to look good and natural throughout the day. Here's what Tatum looks like all the way around. Tatum also features a double monofilament wig cap, which gives you styling flexibility to change the part in any direction and still have the effect of your scalp peeking through. So this gives you a lot of styling options. It also feels extra comfortable when worn on the scalp, and it also just looks extra natural to have that effect of your own scalp peeking through the hair, so it really looks like it's growing out of your own head. These bangs can either be worn brushed to the side like I have them here, or you can also wear them straight down. Depending on how long you want them, you can also pull the wig cap back a little bit to make sure that they're not going into your eyes too much. But I really like the look of them kind of brushed to the side. The next wig that I'm going to show in this video is this one that I'm wearing now, which is Codi, also from the Amore Collection like Tatum, and this one is in the color Creamy Blonde. The Amore Collection is a very fantastic place to look for people who are dealing with hair loss because it is very comfortable, and it also features the double monofilament wig cap, which gives you, like I was talking about before, that very natural looking hairline and the extra comfort if you're wearing it directly on your shaved head. This is actually the first wig style that I ever wore from René of Paris back when I was about 12 years old, and became my go-to wig for all of my middle school and high school years. And again, that was during a time where I wasn't comfortable talking about alopecia and I didn't want people to know that I was wearing a wig. And again, this is another style that I just felt so confident and comfortable putting on. Never felt like it was going to fall off. No one ever questioned if it was a wig or anything, so I always felt very confident that people just assumed this was my own hair when I was wearing it, which is what a lot of people want when they are wearing wigs. Similar points as what I was saying with the Tatum wig that I was wearing before, but I think this is a really fantastic go-to wig, both because of the short length and because of the straight hair texture, and again because of that double monofilament wig cap. Here's what that looks like on this wig. So again, very natural looking hairline and ability to change the part. I really like these side bangs here, which you can kind of brush back, or you can wear more forward. I just really like the way they fall, especially with these layers. And here's what Codi looks like all the way around. Just like Tatum, this is always a style that I want to have in my collection at all times because it is such a great go-to wig on days when I just don't want to think about what wig I'm wearing that day. I can just throw it on my head with very minimal effort, feel confident without even looking in the mirror, knowing that it's going to look natural and stay comfortable and secure throughout the day. Next on my list of favorite short wigs from René of Paris is Kai in the color Melted Ocean. This is a style and color combo that I'm absolutely obsessed with. I just really love this color, Melted Ocean, the way it's kind of like a gradient from a darker root to a blue tone in the middle, going into a kind of light white color here. It is just such a beautiful color that even if you have hair of your own, this would be such a difficult color to accomplish on your own hair if you were to dye it. So it's just such a great way to try out a color like this without having to spend hours and lots of money in the salon. And then as someone who is completely bald, it is just absolutely a dream hairstyle that I had to include this on my list of favorite short wigs from René of Paris. I also love this style in general as well because it's just such a simple, easy to manage style. I really love the way the hair kind of comes forward and frames the face really nicely and gives you those face framing layers. And this wig also features a lace front and lace part. So lace front is something that gives you a really natural looking hairline, so it looks like it's growing right out of your head here, which allows you to really push back the hair and have it look natural. And then that lace also extends to the part, so you have that effect of your scalp peeking through on the part side as well. This wig is definitely one that I've worn a ton, so it is a little bit in older condition now, but I absolutely love this style and would always like to have one in my collection as much as possible. Here's what Kai looks like all the way around. Next on my list of favorite short wigs is this wig here, which is Mod Sleek from the René of Paris Muse collection, and this color is the absolutely fantastic Grape Burst. This deep purple color is just so beautiful and so fun. So again, this is another situation of the style and color combination is really what puts it on my list of favorite short wigs. If you haven't checked out the Muse collection yet, that is a collection with René of Paris that has some fantastic color options, and I love every single wig style and every single wig color that is offered in that collection. So definitely go check it out if you haven't already. A lot of the wigs in that collection also happen to be heat friendly, and this wig is also a heat friendly style as well. This wig actually reminds me a bit of Tatum, which I showed earlier in this video, but slight differences here, like a bit of more of a wispier, longer bang. And this wig also features a lace front and lace part, give it that really natural looking hairline. And with that lace front, you can really kind of push the bangs aside, push them back, and have it look like it's growing right out of your own scalp for a really natural looking effect. With both Tatum and Mod Sleek on my list, clearly I like wigs that look like this, about collarbone length with a bang, but I had to include them both because they do have some differences still, and I just wanted to compare them. I just wanted to point out the way the hair falls here with the end of the hair kind of curved outwards, and I really like the way that looks as is, but in case you wanted to change it to be curved more inwards or to be totally straight, once again, this is a heat-friendly wig, so you can change that if you want to. Just wanted to point that out as well. This color is also a really fantastic option both for daily wear because the features that it has, like the lace front and the lace part, allow it to look really natural, like it is your own hair dyed purple, because it really just looks like it's growing right out of your own head, which is really incredible the way that looks. But I also have worn this for a few cosplays before, like Raven from Teen Titans, because it is really perfect for a Raven cosplay as well. So I really like that this wig can be used for both everyday wear or for costume looks, depending on how you want to use it in your own wig wardrobe. The next wig that I wanted to show in this video is this one that I'm wearing right now. This one is Tara in the color Desert Sand R. I wanted to make sure to include a curly wig in this video just for those of you that like curly hair, and this is definitely one of my absolute favorite short curly wigs. This wig also features a lace front and lace part to have that really natural looking hairline in the front, as well as a really natural looking part. This color is also super beautiful and natural looking as well, and I feel like it's actually pretty similar to what my natural hair color would have been, so I like it for that reason as well. Here's what Tara looks like all the way around. Curly bangs are really in style right now, so I really love the way these side bangs fall with this little curl. It is just so flattering and feminine and just such a really naturally gorgeous look. So definitely on my list of favorite short wigs. The last wig that I have to show in this video of favorite short wigs from René of Paris is another Muse Collection option. This one is called Silky Sleek in the color Smoky Forest. Again, another really fantastic hair color and hairstyle combination that I absolutely adore. This color is one that I just find so incredible, and I really wanted to show you guys because I feel like I haven't seen this being spread around too much, and I think everyone should check it out. It is this really beautiful kind of subtle green color, almost like a grayish smoky green. I really love the way this looks. I also really love this style as well. Also a really nice kind of face framing length and layers going on here. Really like some of the shorter layers. And this is also a heat-friendly wig, so if you want to change the way that the hair is falling, you also have the option to do that as well. I really like these side bangs as well. It just makes it look very natural because you have that covered hairline, and I think it's a really flattering style on any type of face shape as well. Here's what Silky Sleek looks like all the way around. That brings me to the end of my list of favorite short wigs from René of Paris and all of our different collections. Again, these are just a few of my personal favorites, so if you want to check out some of our many other short wig options that we offer through our collections, just visit reneofparis.com and use the wig search options. You can search by style, put short wigs in the filter, and check out all of our different options to find one that's perfect for you. Let me know in the comments below which of these wigs that I showed today was your favorite on me, any of them that you think that you want to get for yourself, and also if you post any videos or pictures on Instagram, definitely be sure to tag us at René of Paris. Follow us over there as well, and on YouTube on René of Paris. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.